Over the last few years, almost every company has felt widespread supply chain issues caused by the COVID pandemic. Empty store shelves, microchip shortages, and struggling seaports are just a few examples. In response, one company seeks to revamp traditional methods of bringing products from design to consumers by using 3D printing. So let's take a look at how this is possible and where it could take manufacturing in the future. What the last few years have shown us is the fragility of traditional supply chains and the domino effect that can happen if any of them were to be disrupted. Consumers rely on retail outlets to have stable inventories and to be provided products from that inventory in the shortest amount of time possible, like 2-day shipping. However, when one cog breaks down, the whole machine is put into jeopardy. That's where a new venture seeks to minimize those disruptions with the 3DOS network. 3DOS aims to revolutionize global manufacturing with the vision to create the world's largest peer-to-peer manufacturing network, allowing anyone to upload a design, receive royalties, and have it made anywhere in the world. Essentially, the system aims to provide a hub for designers to upload their designs for a product and for individuals to have the ability to 3D print and sell those products at any scale they wish. To compare it to current services, this is very similar to the way Uber and DoorDash work. Products are produced locally and closer to the buyer, and if a product is not purchased, it's not made. This creates a huge opportunity for a more sustainable world without waste, shipping, or a large carbon footprint. Manufacturers, whether individual or not, can control the orders they receive and print only the products they need, reducing inventory, overhead, and shipping costs. This process also creates positive incentives for everyone involved. An individual with one 3D printer could print products on demand and in their free time. Or they could scale up their operations with multiple printers and better capable equipment. 3DOS gives the power of manufacturing into the hands of a freelancer. And since side hustles are something that most individuals seek these days, the popularity of this network could be exponential. Designers will earn royalties each time their designs are printed. However, a question of authenticity arises whenever manufacturers are using third-party designs. 3DOS will employ blockchain technology based on NFTs to protect designers and ensure that their royalties and designs are protected. Anyone can upload a design or an entire catalog of parts and protect their design royalties via the 3DOS NFT blockchain. For sellers of all sizes, a network like this reduces the burden associated with sourcing suppliers. Small startups and companies looking to break into new markets will benefit hugely by eliminating the need to manufacture large inventories overseas, pay for storage of unsold inventory, and then cost-effectively ship their products to the consumers. The founders of the 3DOS network created the world's first 3D printing operating system, a cloud-based 3D printing management platform for managing files, machines, and users across businesses. Currently, this operating system has over 200,000 users and 2.8 million parts across 120 countries, with customers like John Deere, Google, MIT, Harvard, and even NASA, with all of them ready to onboard onto the 3DOS network. 3DOS is currently in beta testing and recently launched a public equity crowdfunding campaign through StartEngine. For more information, visit 3dos.io. Thanks for watching.